Welcome! In front of me I have Acme ACT304 smartband, and I'm gonna show you how to reboot this device. If you want to reboot this smartband, your band needs to be paired with a phone via the VeryFit Pro application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue and open the VeryFit Pro application on our phone. Now we need to wait until the smartband is done syncing with our phone. We have the progression right here. Let's wait. Once it's done, we can tap on device to open the device page for our smartband, then tap on the more option, and here we have the reboot device option at the bottom. Tap on it and tap on the restart to confirm. It's gonna start syncing the devices together, and once it's done, it's gonna reboot our smartband. So our smartband rebooted, as you can see, and once you're done, you can close the app. And that's how you reboot this smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.